So this week we are working on
because Racecar.
bolt broke. Okay, so it's just past the catalytic converter just before the cat back exhaust?
Yep. She's leaking right at the top. All over the top.
All over. Just leaking all over.
Just spitting.
Nice. So
Just spitting power.
how do we address this?
We address this by hopefully sticking a bolt in and cinching it up.
Cool.
And if that doesn't work, we'll have
Zip
to
ties?
cut it out. Yeah. Zip ties and duct tape.
Whole thing's just held them with zip ties now.
Shield done as well. Look at this.
You can tell where like the old exhaust of the new, whereas
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Third. Look how bad that is. Can I even grab it?
hold on, leave it. Zoom in. So that's what went basically. Just the bolts gone.
Yeah, let me hold it so you can see it better. Like, you can check 2 shots. There's your problem.
Thank you.
That's the problem. It's not being what it should be, which is a bolt. He's talking garbage right now about his own car. Do we have an import trash bin? It's outside. It's the dumpster. So here we go. There's that's the American trash bin, which is very little. It's actually not even car parts, it's mostly like coffees. And then out here, here's the import trash bin, which is that entire trash bin, which is massive. Like everything.
Ruthless little bugger, isn't he?
Oh, 100%.
And apparently food too, don't know. And back we go. Hey, look. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna punch you, you know that? One of these days.
Yeah. It's okay. This is like feels like the same job we did on the other car.
There is your one exhaust mount.
So why don't you have a drive shaft going down to the rear?
Because it's a front wheel drive car, that's why.
Does it hurt to say it?
Wrong wheel drive is life, bro.
I just wanted to point it out. Oh yeah, that was hard.
There we go.
Look, that's the only chrome thing on your car.
Yeah, the old stainless steel exhaust the guy before we put on. And like when the exhaust fell at the one time, we had to weld it back together. Ooh, crushed by my own car, that would be
That would be great.
Oh, thank God. It doesn't sound right.
She's sniffing, not purring.
She purrs like a dying cat.
So the best way to do it is probably to go this way, come back over here, and then just drive out. Your car's small. Let's get it.